Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start chapter number 9. All is not lost. This is the unit, and there is the difference between unit and chapter. Unit is little bit larger, while the chapter is small as compared to unit. So first of all, we will see that in the end of this chapter we will recognize that the contextual meaning of the chapter. We will learn the rules of direct, indirect. We also call direct, indirect as narration. And in narration there are different type of sentences, for example statement, request, order, and questions. So in this chapter we will recognize the rules of statement, request, and order. Also we will learn about compound preposition, that what is compound preposition, what is the use of compound preposition, how we can use compound preposition, how we can use compound preposition in sentence. Also we will learn about past perfect continuous tense, that what is the rule of past perfect continuous tense, and how we can make past perfect continuous tense, and also recognize the idea in a clear, structured, and logical manner, that how we can make a sentence in an organized way. Okay, so let's start the chapter. All is not lost. It was the beginning of my profession as a nurse. ये था the beginning of my profession, beginning आगाज़ of my profession, मेरे पेशे का, as a nurse, बतौर नर्स ये मेरे पेशे का आगाज़ था. I worked in the intensive care unit of the neurology ward. I worked, मैं काम करती थी या करता था, in the intensive care unit. Intensive जो होता है बहुत ही बारीक, बहुत इंतहाई और शदीद, जिसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा केयर, बहुत ज़्यादा जो है किसी भी जो है किसी की निगरानी की जाती है. ठीक है, तो यूनिट उस जगह, उस जो है इदारे को कहते हैं जहाँ पे जो है मरीज़ों को रखा जाता है. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will cover the next paragraph of the chapter number 9. All is not lost, and I will start translation of the chapter. Point number 8. I stood still, मैं साकिन खड़ी थी, until her family came, यहाँ तक कि उसका ख़ानदान, उसका कुंबा आ गया. Around with big smile, एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट के साथ, on their faces, उनके चेहरे पर. Thanks to Allah, अल्लाह पाक का शुक्र है. She was my patient, कि ये मेरी मरीज़ा थी. Standing and walking, जो कि चल रही थी, फिर रही थी, खड़ी हुई थी. On her own feet, अपने ही पाँव पर. I couldn't recognize her, मैं इसको ना पहचान सकती. Without the machinery, मशीनों के बगैर, and tubes, और नालियों के बगैर, around her body, जो कि उसके जिस्म के गिर्द लगी हुई थी. Point number 9 is she walked on crutches, वो बैसाखियों पर चल रही थी. Which she would leave in a few months, जो उसने चंद महीनों बाद छोड़ देनी थी. I was so glad, मैं बहुत खुश थी, that I had done so exercises, कि मैंने बहुत सारी वर्जिशें करवाई. On her to keep her limbs in motion, उसके अज़ा को हरकत में लाने के लिए. I was happy, I was glad, मैं खुश थी, that my effort bore fruit, कि मेरी मेहनत, मेरी कोशिशें रंग ले आईं. But most of all, लेकिन सबसे बढ़कर ये, I was happy, मैं बहुत खुश थी, that Allah Almighty, के खुदा ताला, had helped me win a lost battle, के हारी हुई जंग लड़ने में खुदा ताला ने मेरी बहुत मदद की. Thank you so much.